The first product is this jacket, red color jacket. Now at first when I saw this jacket, I saw a few marks on it like this. So I was like shocked that what happened, and then I checked the picture and compared it. So it was the same thing. It was just the design and I didn't notice it in the picture. You can see small designs in a bit, but I thought that it's spoiled or something, but it wasn't. But the material wise, it's very similar to the green sweatshirt that I had ordered and I showed you in my previous Urbanic haul. So quality wise, I'm not impressed, as the price is also quite high for this jacket, but still it looks good while wearing, while styling it. So I'm gonna keep it and I'm gonna rate it 8 on 10. Okay, so the next one is my favorite. When I opened it, and from the packet only, when I felt the cloth, and I was like, wow, the material is so amazing, like so soft, and like you just feel like sleeping in this one. And I totally love this one. According to its price also, I think it is like amazing, like for a set. But the material, you guys, trust me. And they had so many colors in this, so many. I would have bought all of the colors, as I loved it so much. And it's so comfortable, like it's so stylish and comfortable at the same time. So I totally love this one. I have also gifted other color to my sister, as her birthday is coming like in a month. So I sent her a gift, and I sent her similar one, as we can twin together. The color is different. I'm gonna just upload the color that I have sent her, and she also loved it. And this is like the perfect thing you can get it. Just grab your hand, as you can style your other tops with this joggers, and you can style this hoodie or sweatshirt, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, sweatshirt with any bottom that you have, and it's gonna look amazing. Like it's like 2-in-1, like you can wear it as a set or separately also. So I would definitely tell you to buy it. Go buy it. And yes, that's it for today, guys. I know the video is quite small, but I hope you like it. And if you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, press the bell icon, and I see you in the next video. Bye.